continues to be a year like no other. Today, we are following the Michigan primary during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the impact on the political process has been easy to see. Polling places look very different, and there's been an explosion in absentee ballots. Consumer investigator Hank Winchester monitoring how things are going this afternoon. How do things stand, Hank?
And Karen, good afternoon to you. A steady stream of people making their way here to this school in Northwest Detroit to vote today, but it's the huge number of absentee ballots that have come in during the last month or so that could delay the results of this primary election. Take a look at some video, and as you do, I'll talk to you about some problems we've also seen as the day has progressed. The good news here is that most people are wearing their mask. When you make your way into a polling station, you will find plenty of hand sanitizer. The bad news is that in a handful of polling locations throughout the city of Detroit, this morning at 7 a.m., they were not ready to roll. Either voting machines were not in place or staff themselves were not ready and not there to let voters into the building. We talked to a frustrated voter today who had to come back later this afternoon to cast her ballot, and also we talked to the Secretary of State to gauge her reaction and how things are right now. Take a listen.
They explained that their supplies had not yet arrived. And I again looked at my watch and I said, the polls are supposed to be open at 7 a.m. and it's now 8:30. That's not anything that should happen.
We had a couple incidents in Detroit this morning where precincts were late opening because poll workers were unable to show up, but we had planned for that. We actually trained hundreds of people just yesterday to backfill vacancies in the case that there were no shows, so we sent 35 workers from our staff.
And the Secretary is confident that those issues have been resolved in those select Detroit locations. She was monitoring some potential problems in the Flint area, but feels like anyone here within Metro Detroit that wants to get out and vote, that they have an opportunity still to do so. You still also have an opportunity to drop that absentee ballot out. Polls close tonight at 8 o'clock. We have much more regarding the big primary day turnout, Karen, starting live at 5 o'clock. For now, we're here in Northwest Detroit. Hank Winchester, help me, Hank.
All right, we'll see you at 5. Thanks, Hank. In addition to Hank's coverage at 5 and 6, we sure hope you join us tonight at 11 as all of the results are coming in. You'll also be able to